Alright, welcome back you guys. Today we're going to be working on my P80. So as you remember, I threw the Overwatch Tac Precision trigger in there, which I absolutely love. It's been safety checked, and it's just so much better than that stock Glock trigger. But we're going to see if we can't make it a little bit better, you guys. So what I got from Overwatch Precision is the MP3 coated safety plunger and the minus connector. So it should drop the weight of that trigger, from what I've read, roughly 1/2 pound to 3/4 pound. I'm going to throw those in there real quick. Be right back. Alright, we're about halfway through. I got everything disassembled, parts laying everywhere. But here's a look at the old pieces. They're pretty dirty. But I had polished them when I put the P80 together. So I mean, they're still not too bad. Did the old 50-cent polish job. Or 25-cent. Those are the old ones. And here are the new ones we're putting in. So you can't tell a whole ton of difference. I mean, the coating's definitely different. And you can just kind of feel the smoothness of them. You can tell it's a more smooth finish on them. So we're gonna get those thrown in. Just figured I'd show you real quick. Be right back. Alright, got the safety plunger and the minus connector put in. Let's try it out real quick, see if it functions. That's good. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit lighter. Whole thing's operating a little smoother now. I'll have to hit the range here with it and see if I feel if it's worth the money first before I make a final judgment call on it. It's definitely still not as good as my PPQ. The trigger in that thing is just amazing. It's definitely not as light as the PPQ still. I've got over 3,000 rounds through this bad boy. But let's go hit the range with it real quick, see what we think. Love that. The new connector and plunger, so much better, smoother, way better. So that's at 5 yards. Those first few, 2 of those were the first 2 shots I shot. I guess trying to get used to the trigger, but nice tight group on the rest of them. So those 3 low flyers, but rest of that, I mean, size of my finger compared to it, pretty good. Let's try it at 7 yards. That was at 5. 7 yards. You can see that. Pretty good. Happy with that. Everything's kept everything in that black ring, other one low flyer. But that's the right way. About the size of my fist is 7 yards. Take that. Loving that trigger and setup. Alright, you guys, just got back from the range with the new parts installed in the P80 here, and I have to say I absolutely loved it. It's a lot smoother now. It's a lighter trigger. I wouldn't say it's a lot lighter, but I can definitely notice it is a little lighter. Like I said on the website, it says half a pound, 3/4 of a pound roughly, and that's probably about what it dropped it. I was real happy with the groups I had on it. I had a couple low flyers, but otherwise happy with the results. Would I consider carrying this gun with that trigger in it? My answer is yes. I'm used to having a light trigger because of my PPQ, and I carry that quite a bit, and the trigger in that is still quite a bit lighter than it is in this P80. So it just kind of boils down to what you're comfortable with. I don't even know in Colorado if you can conceal carry that. I should probably check the laws. But I would feel more than comfortable carrying it with that trigger in it, as I already carry the PPQ and I'm used to that light trigger. So if you have any questions or comments, you guys, let me know. As always, thanks for watching. God bless.